capital could not be a more appropriately named event. Here we are today with 400 people looking at how they can attract investment and grow investment here in the tech capital of Aotearoa, New Zealand.
I had the opportunity in Chicago to help build the tech ecosystem there. Here in Wellington, I'm seeing exactly those same mix of ingredients. You have the opportunity to build something really world-class.
We all want to see Wellington thrive to be the best city in the world that it can be. The people that are going to make that happen are here in the room today, some of the most bright and inspirational and leading people in their fields with tech ideas, and Wellington City are committed to sponsoring events like this because this is how we build the future of our place.
At iSouth Ventures, we're a big fan of events that bring together investors and founders to have real open and honest conversations about how we can build a brighter future together.
For us, it's really all about collaboration. We love having seasoned founders getting up and being able to tell their stories for everyone else to learn from. So it's awesome to have such a great vibe here in Wellington today.
It's really exciting for Angel HQ to be connected with the rest of the ecosystem again. So really glad to be here and glad to be contributing, and excited to hear about everybody else's stories and experiences.